much, and it's good morning here in London. I do apologise for the interesting angle I'm at today because I'm halfway through moving house. So I'll talk to you a little bit about that later. So I've got a wonky bookcase behind me today, and I probably look a little bit nearer than I'd like to look. But that's me. I'm Simon Warner. And I just thought I'd tell you a little bit about me and who's this random man come to talk to us this morning. Now, I've been on I started internet marketing right back in 2009 when it was the Great Recession, which I'm sure some of you will remember. And I was working as a stage hypnotist in European holiday resorts. And basically what I wanted to do was make myself a little bit of extra pocket money. So I'd go and do shows at night, and during the day I'd play around on my computer. Obviously the internet wasn't as fast as it is now, and you'd download something, learn a little bit, and you'd see people earning 4 or 5, 6 figures on the internet. And I was like, well, I'm sure I can do that. And I started to dabble a little bit, and I got involved in a thing I'm sure a few of you remember if you've been online for a while, called the Warrior Forum, and started making a few Warrior special offers. And it would be 10 years ago, so it'd be 2012, I went to my first internet marketing conference, made some friends there, started to work with them.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Started to work on some products, and I've worked since as a launch manager, and I built my business up that way. And next week I'm actually moving to French Polynesia. I'm actually moving to Tahiti. So it's pretty much worked out well. And if somebody who can't even get their keynote to work on Zoom can do it, I'm sure everyone online here can build out the kind of success that can make you achieve anything you actually want to do, whether it's to move to a tropical island, whether it's to buy a new car, whether it's for, to give money to your kids or grandkids, or to go and buy a Lamborghini. It's doable. I mean, I actually host internet marketing conferences all over the world. As you can see, the people on the boat there, that's an event I held over in Venice. For those internet marketers. If you look closely at the pictures, I'm sure you'll see some famous faces there, such as there's Tim Castleman there, there's Rich Sheffrin, if you've been involved in internet marketing for a while, the guru to the gurus, the guy who taught ClickFunnels how to do webinars, helped Frank Kern out when he started, and you'll see Laura Castleman there, the CEO of JVZoo. So we do those events all over the world. We've did one in London a couple of months ago. That's how I've ended up on this webinar today. So, if you are going to succeed in internet marketing, I do believe the more people you can get involved with, going back to what Jay said earlier, getting yourself a mentor, never be the smartest person in the room. Never be. Always find someone smarter than yourself in a room. That's one tip if you're going to go to any events that I will give you after hosting 14 of them now. So today, now you know a little bit about me. I want to know a little bit more about you, because we're going to have a deep dive into video today, into video marketing for affiliate marketing, dovetailing back to what Jay said earlier. I'll show you products you can sell for an awful lot of high ticket money to local businesses. But before we start, I want to get a measure of the room and find out where you are with video marketing. Just let me know if you use video marketing, if you don't use video marketing. Just let me know in the chat box where you are with your video marketing. And I'm going to have a little look at the comments here and see what everybody's doing with their video marketing, just adjusting things. So Alan's got a YouTube channel. I hope that's going well for you there. Leon's not yet got into video marketing. Anyone else there doing anything with video marketing? Anyone selling any video services, repurposing videos? Tim hasn't started using video yet. Video is just so powerful. I mean, the statistics on video are phenomenal. Oh, brilliant. YouTube ads for a digital product, Glenn. Stephen's not started yet, and neither's Rob. Now, we're going to really deep dive into it, because video really is the way people consume. I mean, I've got my phone here. If I'm walking with my Cobra Kai, case, if I'm just walking around the house, I'm tidying, doing a bit of tidying, I'll have some videos playing in the background. If I want to know something about something, I'll watch a video on it. I mean, we all can agree that we get knowledge and information from videos. If you're going to buy or rent a new house, the first thing you do is have a video walkthrough of it. If you're thinking of, I don't know, I'm just looking at some things I looked at earlier, getting a personal trainer, you'll have a video and see what their personality is like. Video is so important. I mean, the statistics on it. Here's an interesting question. How many hours of video do you think worldwide are watched? Pop your answer in the chat box. How many hours of video do you think are watched worldwide on YouTube in a day? Go on, have a guess. Go on, have a guess. Millions. 12 million from Glenn. Anyone else want to have a stab at this? It's going to shock you. 1 trillion, billions, 20 billion. Ankura is actually the nearest that I actually got in my recent stats. It was actually about 12 billion hours a day. 12 billion. And I think it's like, here's some of the stats. YouTube's the third biggest, most visited website ever. The second biggest search engine on the internet. I think that's 1.3 trillion, because that'd be a million. Anyway, it's a lot of people have got a YouTube account. 300 hours of video were uploaded onto YouTube a minute. 300 hours a minute. I mean, I wouldn't like their server bill. 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube in a single day. So that means it's about 2.5 minutes per video on average there. And YouTube gets about 30 million visitors a day. That's a lot of people watching video. People like video. And that's just YouTube. We're not taking into account the amount of video that's watched on Facebook, on websites. And that's where people are really captive. If they're on your website and watching a video, the chances are you're the best source of information that they've found on that, or they want to buy something. And if we've got anyone in e-commerce, showing videos of your products on e-commerce, is the way to sell them. I mean, think about the amount of people who watch unboxing videos or clothes videos. Everything's got a video. I mean, I started when I going back to 2009, and to watch a video, we were talking, if you had fast broadband there, you had 2 meg. So you could watch video, it was in low resolution. We're not going back to the days of dial-up there, if anyone remembers those. But video is easy now. I mean, if you're in 90% of the UK, I think everyone on this call's from the UK, then, you've got a decent, it's probably 70 meg broadband most of the time. So uploading a video is not a big deal. It really isn't. I mean, you can do it from your phone, you can do it from everywhere. And if you haven't got video on your website, you're losing traffic because people don't want to read everything. But interestingly, because I put a lot of sales pages together, I personally prefer to read to research, but I'm in the minority. More people will watch the video to make a buying decision than actually read the words. We've studied it with heat maps, and it's about 75% with the videos. So if you're not using the videos effectively, you're missing out on customers. So having videos is really, really important. And we've got some more statistics there on how long people's attention span is. 56% of videos published on social media are less than 2 minutes. So that's grabbing people's attention because, if people you don't have the people's attention, then you go. I mean, you've got the statistics there. The longer the video is, and this is a real newbie mistake I see a lot with a lot of people I work with, is because they're an expert in their field, they want to tell people everything they know about what they know. They want to tell everybody the whole thing. So, you'll see people sending me videos and they're 17, 18 minutes. And much as it might be interesting, if you're not that passionate about the subject, your interest is going to wane on it after a couple of minutes. So 2 minutes, call to action, whether that's getting an email address, whether that's getting a sale. And building an email list, I'm sure you guys have been taught about this, is one of the most important things you can do, because that's somebody who's a repeat customer and you've got a direct marketing channel to them. They don't have to find you again. So that's the thing. 2 minutes, call to action. Keep engagement up. So we've got a few of you are using video here. Is anybody selling to offline businesses? And anyone selling to businesses like internet marketing services to videos? Just let me know in the chat box if that's something you're doing or you're not doing or you'd like to do. Because I caught the last 25 minutes of what Jay was saying, and I just want to reiterate on this from a lot of people I work with. That is a massive market, because going back to what I was saying about being the smartest person in the room, with your knowledge of internet marketing that you have right now, you probably know more than 95% of people. So you are the expert. Even if you're not a guru, if you know how to get a business to get more traffic to the website, more customers, more sales, and if you're talking about people who sell things like houses, cars, a lead to them is worth 40, 50 pounds. So, you know, if you go in there and offer them a service, they'll get them more leads for a couple of £1,000s. You are God. Because believe me, these people are paying like 25, 30 pounds a click for Google Ads. So is anybody actually working for on selling to local businesses at the moment? Just let me know in the chat box. Let me see if I can get my chat to pop out a little bit. Anybody working with local businesses yet? Anyone like to work with local businesses? Not yet, but people would. So who would like an unfair advantage? A real unfair advantage on everyone else. Something that's not everybody's got, because I'm going to show this to you now, and I know you're going to love this because it comes back to everything. Hell yeah! Now we've got some interest. Right, you want a secret magic button? It's not really a secret magic button, but this is an unfair advantage. This is something you can use yourself in affiliate marketing if you're an affiliate for any product, and something you can go out there this afternoon. If you're in London, if you can, that you probably can't get anywhere this afternoon because of the train strike, but you can actually go out there and sell it to people straight away, and you're going to blow the socks off. So here's what we've actually invented. So I want you to have a look at this picture now. That's an ordinary screen from a video. And as you can see, that's just a video playing of Dan Locke, who's a famous internet marketer. He's talking about something he's selling. But here's how we make it different. We give you a way to actually sell inside the video. So you can take any video, whether it's one of yours, one of someone else's, whether it's a business's on their website, and you can put a call to action inside that video. So you can put a form inside it to get an email address. You can put a quiz inside it, you know, to get your engagement up. You can put an email inside it, you know, so if they want to learn more about what they're doing, you can have it actually inside the video. How cool is that? Give me a 1 in the chat box if you think that's really cool, that you can take any video, put it on a website and do what you like. I've got a 1 from Alan. Brilliant there. That's fantastic. We loved it. Leon gives me a 1 there. That's great. I'm loving all these ones coming up there. Loads of ones now. One's from Tim, one's from Rob. That's fantastic. One's from Alex. This is awesome. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about this. So here you can see there we've got an estate agent showing someone around the house there. Here's what else we can do. And if you go out there this afternoon, get this sold out to some estate agents, they are going to love this. So they can put the video of the house on there and boom, Google Maps inside the video, so that person can go straight onto there and go straight to the house, know exactly where it is, because there's nothing like that. I mean, I know when I first moved to London, I was trying to get near to a tube station. I was looking at the maps, and you know, the Rightmove maps aren't that clear, and then you've lost the lead. And so that is something that estate agents are going to wet themselves over to put onto their website inside a video tour. There we go. We can actually put a lead capture form inside a video. So you can put any content on your website, whether it's your YouTube or Vimeo video, or you can upload a video straight in, put a lead capture form right across it, boom, done. That's pretty cool. Quizzes. You can put quizzes inside the videos, so you can get some interaction with them there. So, you know, if you're selling, I don't know, for example, skincare products on e-com, you know, do you have dry skin or oily skin or anything like that? You can narrow it down, and you can essentially, the more times you get a prospect to say yes or agree to you, the nearer you are to a sale. That's marketing 101. So that's the product. We make video interactive. So here's how easy it is to do. So you can pick any trending video, any video you like, one of your videos, a Vimeo video, or you can upload a video, and that's step one. That easy. Step two, you choose the interactive elements from the software. Software is a software as a service. So you basically log into there. We're going to give you a demo of this in a moment. I've got the developer waiting there. He's going to give you a video demo. He's prepared earlier of it. You add the interactive elements, and number three, you embed it on your website, or you do a share link. It's that easy. It really is that easy. So, Anthony, are you there? Anthony, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Ah, fantastic. Anthony, can you share your screen?
All right.
Or do I need to do some magic to allow this? Yeah, you should be able. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Are you ready to share yours?
Okay.
Right. Everyone say hello to Anthony. He is now. Anthony, both of you are there. Are you sharing now? Ah, there we go. I can see your screen. So I'm going to shut up for a minute and just hand you over to Anthony. He's going to give you a little bit of a demo of this. Okay, take it away, Anthony.
Okay, hello guys, welcome everyone. So it's Anthony here, and without any further ado, so I'll just quickly dive into the demo of VDevelop. Okay, so we have here, welcome back, instantly turning a viral video into a traffic pulling sales machine. Super easy. So we'll log in. Okay, so we have our dashboard of VDevolve. So here we have video interactive, Evolve logo creator, list building, campaign starts, your email lists, and then we have integrations. So let's quickly try making one interactive video on this tutorial. So you simply click on video interactive, and you want to click on create. So it shows you create new campaign. So yeah, you want to input your campaign title and a thumbnail image for the campaign. So for here, I'm just gonna say demo test. Okay, and I'm gonna select an image to use. Okay, and create. So now it gives us an option to select video from either YouTube, Vimeo, Dropbox, or you could simply upload from your file. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to quickly dive into my Vimeo, and I'm going to copy the URL of any video. So copy video link. Okay, copied. I'll go back and click on Vimeo. Now paste and click on download. Okay. So here we go. We have our video on our interactive video editor. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, so now here we have 14 interactive video elements, of which you can input into this video to make your video interactive. Here we have the logo, call to action, images, text, button, your opt-in form where you can collect email addresses directly from your video. You have your quiz, your timer, your slider, share, where you can share it to Pinterest and Facebook and Twitter and other social platforms. We have file where you can impute some maybe documents, some gift items, some PDF files. We have a video where you can be able to put in a video into this video. Really amazing. We have the embed code where you can impute an HTML code of any content into your video. And we have the map where you can put in your map. So let's just pick one. Let's pick the CTA, call to action. And we have different icons, different buttons to select from. So you can come here, you could see buttons and you could just select one of it. And once you select, you save. So we can see it here on our video. Okay, so now, yeah, this is very important. When putting in your CTA, you see a box where you put in your redirect URL. So this is where you want to retarget your visitors, maybe to your e-com store, maybe to your affiliate offer, to your e-com sites, to your blog, to your website. So you simply put in the URL in this place. So we're just going to have, let's say, videvolve.net. So once you do that, now up here, you have the option to pause the video. So what this happens is that when your audience or your customer is watching your interactive video, at that time when the interactive element, the CTA button pops up, the video pauses for that individual to take action immediately. How cool is that? So we can see setting our start time. This is when you want that interactive element to pop up on your video and when you want it to exit on the video. So yeah, we want to have it pop up at the 7 seconds of the video, and we want it to stay till the very end of the video. You can see that the video is 1 minute 4 seconds long. So I want it to stay till the very end of the video. So after that, you simply click on save. And we have that save. So for this, I would like to adjust it a little bit. Make it a little bit bigger and save. Okay, so let's just simply do a quick preview for this one. Okay. So here we go. You can see it's here. Your add to cart is on your video already. Okay. So this is how amazing this works. So when the user simply click on it, this is going to take you to redirect you directly to the page of your offer. So you see it's redirected us successfully to the link we used. Okay, so let's go back and quickly check out other interactive elements. Okay, so let's check out the opt-in form. Okay, so this is our opt-in form, and you could come here to customize it. You change your form text color, background color, and all that. Put in a little bit touch and style to it. So we have this form text color. Okay, you could just play with this to come up with something really nice and beautiful. Then when you are done, you save. So here we go. This is what we have now. Okay, so you come back to your core to setting your start time and your end time. So for here, we want it to come up at 8 and want it to disappear at 15, 16 seconds. And I want this to pause so users can take action. Now, this is very important. To the opt-in form, you have the option to select your email marketing platform, your autoresponder platform, of which you can easily integrate into VidEvolve. Okay, so before I go further, I'm going to quickly show us how to integrate. So you can come here and select, and once you select that, you select your email list and then you save. So let's just save this. Okay, let's try out another element. Let's try the timer. Okay. So we have the timer, and you could set your countdown. So we'll go to today, and today's 25th, and I'm going to set it to stop at 27th. Okay. So once I select that, I save. You could see that it has changed to 2 days, 12 hours, 26 minutes, 10 seconds. So this is a real-time countdown timer that we have here. Okay, so you could still set up when you want it to pop up your end time. You could still come here to customize, put a nice style and touch to it. Okay, just play with your colors and you save. Okay. Okay, save. All right, so let's check out a preview of what we've done so far.
Congratulations. When did you get it on? And we're super excited to get started.
You could see that the opt-in form paused because I actually got to set it that way. So we could see that the countdown timer is kind of overlapping on the opt-in form. So all I just have to do is just go back here and try to just adjust it a little bit and save. Okay, so let's check it out again. Okay, better, but you could just keep adjusting until you get a perfect balance. So yeah, you just put in your name. This way users will just put in their name and put in their email address and submit. So once they do that, you are going to get the response, the email and the name of the individual on your autoresponder account that you must have integrated into the platform, or you could get it on this platform. VidEvolve allows you to still store in these email addresses on the platform. Okay, so let's check out one or two more interactive elements before I show you other part of VDevolve. Okay, this is a quiz. And yeah, you could set up your question. So let's say, do you love video marketing? Okay, so could set here as yes, and put here as maybe. So we set and add more answers. So yeah, we put yes. And yeah, we got maybe. So you could just set up your answers, your response, your correct feedback, and your incorrect feedback. And you save, but I would like to pause this. So I just pause this video, put it at 7 to 11 seconds and save. Awesome. So we have our question here. Do you love video marketing? Yes, maybe. Okay, so let's just check up one more. And okay, we have the button. Now, the purpose of this button is so maybe you do not want to use the call to action. You do not want to use the customized call to action button. You could just easily customize a button for yourself. So you just put in, okay, let's say, please, I want to have access. Okay, so you put in your URL on this part. Okay, and setting your post time and maybe pause the video. Okay, and then you can come here to style, front text size. You could style everything you want to do here. You can set the box, border. You could put a border around it. You could just basically do normal customization here. Background color, solid, change the color. Okay, and you could save. So you see we have this now. Okay, so let's go back and put in this again. And me access. Okay. Pause and save. Okay, so it's there. So let's quickly check out a preview again. And next, I'm going to show us how, after using these 14 interactive elements, to create an interactive video on any need. Okay. So we have our question here. So do you love video marketing? Yes, maybe. Okay, yes. And it shows us our response feedback, which is green as correct and red as incorrect. Okay. We have our countdown on the other end of the screen. We have our opt-in form here. We have our CTA button here. Okay. Yeah, grants me access. We have this button here. So all you just have to do is, when creating an interactive video using VDevolve, you just have to make sure that you use the actual interactive element you want to use at that point in time for that video, and you want to align them more neatly on your video screen.
access to this program.
Okay, amazing, amazing. Okay, so now let's quickly dive into, okay, once you come here to Video Interactive, you're gonna see the video you have created. So yeah, we have it, the video we created. Now, you have the option to share this video. So you can easily copy the campaign link and you can share this link via email marketing. You can send this link via when sending your emails. You can share this link to your WhatsApp contact or Facebook. Anyhow, you can drive traffic directly to this link. You can share to Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter just by clicking on this button. Okay, so we still have the option. You could delete from here, preview, and you could edit. Now, this is very important, which is embedding this interactive video in your website. So let's just see how that works quickly. Now, once you click on embed, it's going to show you the embed code. Okay, so now this okay, you're going to want you want to set your width and your height. So okay, I will just come here and do 720 by 480. 480. So I want to set my pixels from here. Okay, and I want to copy. So I've successfully copied my HTML code of that campaign demo test. So now I'm going to go to my website or my page builder. So I'm just going to come to my page builder, my WordPress page builder, and I'm going to just take a page and okay, I'm actually using Tribe Architects, okay, for page building. So I could just come here and I will just paste the code. I've already dragged in my HTML elements to my screen. So I will just come here and paste the code and save. So here we go. Awesome. So you can see that on the website, I have my interactive video on the website. So if I play here, you can see, amazing.
We're super excited to get you started.
You could see all my interactive elements are all popping up on my website. Everything is all popping up here. And the same action I'm going to do is the same action I'm going to do here. My countdown timer, it's all my email opt-in form, my quiz, and everything is just in place and intact. Okay, amazing. So this is how it works. Okay. So let's quickly now dive to the next thing, which is I'm showing you integrations. Okay, now we have the option of Evolve Logo Creator. So now VidEvolve is so amazing that you could create a very simple 3D text logo, using VidEvolve. So just before I show you how you can create your logo, let me quickly just show you how to integrate. So we have list building. So here you see your campaigns, statistics of your campaigns, and email lists of every campaign that you must have done. So now this is integrations. Now VidEvolve is integrated into various platforms. Okay, we have the Google Analytics. You could integrate with your Facebook pixel, and then mailing apps. We have ActiveCampaign, Aweber, SendLane, Mailchimp, Sendio, Mailview, ConvertKit, GetResponse, Midview, Webinar Jam, Omnisend, SendPulse, Klaviyo, Eva, Webinar, SendBlue, MoSend. Awesome mailing platforms. So we still have the general list of which you could just create an email list with VidEvolve. So you might not need to integrate. You could just come here and create a list. You give it a name, and you could just use that to capture all your email addresses. So on the other hand, if you want to integrate any of your autoresponder accounts with VidEvolve, all you just have to do is to click on it, and you go to your autoresponder account to get out your API key, and you just integrate. You could see that I've already linked to this one with my API key. Okay, and just same thing you do, GetResponse. Okay, I've linked to this one already. And okay, let's check out ActiveCampaign. Okay, yeah, so you just have to put in your API key, and once you do that, save, and everything will be good to go. Okay, so we're quickly coming to an end to this tutorial, and just before that, let's show you the last demonstration for this demo video, well, which is the Evolve logo creator. Okay, so this is one amazing feature of VidEvolve, and it's so amazing that when creating your interactive videos, on the elements that says logo, you must not have to import any logo. You could just quickly come here to create something, and you're going to see it pop up there. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate it so you understand how this works. So let's just create something random. So I'm going to do fashion style. Okay, just anything random. Okay, we have this 3D templates to select from, and we still have more templates here to select from. Okay, so you could just pick anyone of your choice, anyone you love, anyone you find really attractive. You could come here to you could set the size, maybe make it bigger or make it smaller. Okay, so this is bigger now, and you just do this to get it smaller. Okay, so see, so you come here to customize the color, just play with the color, know what you want, know what you love, what's going to best suit in for you, and you save. Okay, so now either you save to gallery or you can download it to your system file. Okay, so this is successfully saved. Okay, or you could easily download it here, and once you click on download, okay, you can see that's downloaded. All right, so you could come here and you see logo gallery. So this is where you see every logo that you have created. Okay, so this is what we just did now, fashion star. So you see it here on your logo gallery. You could just come here and click. You can download, or maybe you could delete it from here. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you could use this logo from your interactive app, and then I'm going to call it a wrap on this demo video. Okay, so we'll go there to edit it. We have our video here, and okay, so you click on logo, and you could still choose from app gallery, or you could import directly from your file. So if I choose from app gallery, I'm going to see all the logos that has been created here. You see the one we have just done. So maybe I could just select it, and okay, and I could save. So you see it, fashion star, amazing, really, really amazing. Okay, so that is how you can actually use this logo feature for your interactive videos. So guys, that will be the end of this video demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you make the best out of it. Okay, so Simon, I think I am done.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, let's just.
In case anyone have any questions. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, right. Thank you very much, Anthony, for that demo. We'll do some questions at the end because there's a few more bits and pieces, and I've got really, really special offer for everybody as well. So we've seen a few of the ways you can actually use it there. For a start, for affiliate marketers, you could add countdown timers to your affiliate promotions. It's great for adding on to your video sales letters, product demos, sales videos. And for anyone doing an e-commerce store, I'm sure without me even going there, you can see thousands of ways you can use that if you're in e-com. If you're selling this, if you're onto local marketing, like I said earlier, you know, you can go to realtors, real estate agents, as we call them here, and sell that to them today. You know, when you see the powers of that, the scroll stopping way of doing it, integrating the maps. I'm going to show you some cool ways you can actually sell this to estate agents in a couple of minutes from now. Another people who are going to buy it are personal trainers. Personal trainers love technology. Most personal trainers tend to be quite tech savvy and understand the value of social media, understand the power of video, but they won't have seen anything like this. They love buying it. It's a market that I'm involved in, and I know the power for gyms and personal trainers. That's somewhere where they love to have any kind of competitive edge, because it's a really competitive market, but it's one that pays really, really well. And speaking of selling it to local clients, I know earlier on in the session, Jay was saying, you know, about going out there and selling high ticket items to local businesses. So imagine you had these tools to sell to local clients. Imagine you had an interactive video website, some targeted adverts, some sales scripts, you know, you can use yourself or get a professional to do, a PowerPoint presentation to sell this, some graphics packages, email sequence, some legal contracts, and some expert training. Do you think, yes or no, that would make it easy to get high ticket clients? Let me know if you think in the chat box that if you had everything like that, if you think it would be easy to get local businesses as high tickets. I'm getting plenty of yeses there, because that's what you need. You need the extra tools. If you're going to go out there and charge 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 pounds to local businesses, you need to look the part to get those high tickets. And like Jay was saying, you know, a couple of those a month, and that money starts to really, really add up.